Now you might ask yourself, what's old Toothpick smoking today? Check it out, we're doing a pork loin spicy Dan-O's with a sour cream horseradish dip with the spicy Dan-O's in it, bringing the flavor in the sauce, bringing the flavor on the meat, bringing the flavor straight to your mouth on them taste buds, making them say, yeah, that's flavor. We're using the red cap, spicy Dan-O's. Go ahead and cover your loin perfectly. Get a nice crust on there. That smoke is gonna get in there. Flavor all this pork. 250, set the timer for an hour, come back and flip it over in an hour. Grab our sour cream, scoop some in here. That should be good. Get you some horseradish in there. Now I like horseradish. You can adjust to taste. Once you add that spicy Dan-O's, you're adding more flavor than anything. This mix is real easy. You don't have to beat it a bunch. Just stir it up for about a minute. Now I've made this sauce before and I can already tell that I have not added enough Dan-O's because it's got more of a red tint to it when you do it right with this spicy. You can see how it's looking a little red. All right guys, it's been an hour. We are going to flip over the tenderloin. Now I can tell that this thing's pretty much close to being done. So it's actually not gonna be a 2-hour smoke it's looking like. We'll probably leave it on here for about 15 minutes. Let the other side get the grill marks. Then we're gonna temp it and see where we're at. The temp's up and we've temped out. Oh, look at that. That's about how thick you want it. Right there. Got a nice little smoke ring around it. It's not going to be overpowering with the horseradish. The sour cream tones it down. Dan-O's adds the flavor. This is awesome. So there's your bite. I want you guys to see how juicy this is. When I squeeze this, it just drips. Like, subscribe, follow, danosseasoning.com. It is that yum yum get you some.